The festive season is on the way, and this is the time for you to think about how you'll be preparing these tasty meals for your loved ones. Now is the best time for you to get yourself a solar aided cooking stoves at your home. Our solar aided stove will give your kitchen a very fantastic look. And by the way, they save up to 80% on your daily fuel consumption at home. The festive season is about togetherness, spreading love. So we urge you to actually create your happy family moments cooking with the solar-aided cooking stoves at Viron. Get yourself one today and enjoy.